lace from Bobbi Boss right here. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. So like I mentioned, this wig is from Bobbi Boss right here. She's in the style of Noelle. So this wig actually comes in a variety of colors, but I actually have this wig in the color that's on the card, which is very exciting. And one of the most exciting things about this video is that you will have the opportunity to win this exact wig. So stay tuned at the end of the video to learn how you can win this wig. All right, so let's just get into this wig. Besides this wig having that HD lace, which we will more see, this wig actually has a ton of attributes that very high-end luxury wigs have. So let's just get into looking at those. One of the big things besides the lace, which goes with the lace, is that this is a true 360. There is lace all around this wig. It is not missing any lace, which is so amazing, so exciting. And then also this does have a 13x4 frontal right here, as you can see. A lot of lace, a lot of free parting and whatnot. And then also it has, as you can see, some baby hairs already plucked out, which is very, very exciting. And then also it does have a very natural hairline, which we will see more when we put on. And then, which is very exciting, this actually has an attached wig band, which is so great. So it just gives you that little extra security when you put your wig on, which is really, really great. So it's very, very exciting. And then for the actual combs and whatnot, we have two combs right here in the side. And then we do have one comb kind of right back here in the middle or in the frontal part right here. And then she does have a medium wig cap. So if you need a large head friendly wig, she would work for you. I do feel like she's definitely more straight medium versus a medium to large. Let's have some fun and put this girl on. So I do have a nude wig cap that I got from Amazon. I got a 10 pack for $5.99. I really like these wig caps. And I put my wigs on front to back. And okay, here she is. Look at this gorgeous color on her. So exciting. All right, so let's just take a look at the lace really quickly so you can see what she's all about. So again, definitely lots of plucking, very natural hairline. As you can see, it's blonde, so it works really, really well for me. All right, so let's cut the lace off this girl and see what she's all about. Okay, here she is, lace all cut off and ready for a very fun time. All right, so let's take our wig brush and lightly brush her out. And here she is with this gorgeous mermaid status. Absolutely loving these waves right here. Definitely has that kind of crimpy kind of wave pattern, which is gorgeous. And as for shedding, she did have a little bit of a medium-ish kind of shedding, which really isn't bad. It's just a little bit more than normal. I lightly laid down these baby hairs with some glue right here and a toothbrush, which is really, really easy. So let's just kind of see by, you know, creating a different look, what kind of look that she's going to give. And here she is on the left eyebrow. Definitely has that amazing, fun, carefree sweep right here. So let's try it on the other side. Okay, so here she is on this side. She does have a lot of pre-cut baby hairs, and I'm not like messing with them too much since I'm gonna be giving this very wig away. So I just want to keep it in a really great state so whoever wins this wig can do whatever they want with these baby hairs. All right, so let me just move her back. Okay, so down the center again with this gorgeous wig. So again, this wig is from Bobbi Boss right here. It is part of their HD lace collection, which is so very exciting. And don't forget that you have the opportunity to win this very wig right here. So I first need you to like this video and then also leave this emoji right here down below in the comments, and all the rules and regulations are down below. So I want to know if any of you have any of these HD lace wigs. I would love to know and see you in your wigs. So reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me pictures of you and your amazing wigs and your makeup and you living your best life ever. Because life is short, wear a wig and have